The world's most popular WordPress theme of all time, Astra, which breached the 1 million user mark just recently in July 2020, got suspended by WordPress because of some violations, policy violations regarding some affiliate links. So what the suspension means is that you cannot find and download or install Astra using the WordPress dashboard. Let me show you. This is my WordPress dashboard. Go to Appearance, Themes. I only have the 2020 default theme installed. If we go to Add New, usually you would find Astra here. If you type Astra, you'd see it right there. And this is not Astra, so don't get confused. Don't install that one. Astra, I believe, is the best free WordPress theme because it comes with a lot of templates, and it also comes with other things that make it really easy to produce a professional looking, beautiful website. But don't worry, if you haven't installed Astra yet, I have the download which you can use to install it manually, and I'll show you how. Alright, so I'm going to install Astra through a manual process by uploading the theme. I already have the file downloaded. I'll provide the link to the file for the Astra theme. That means you don't have to go to the Astra theme website and register for that download. I've already done it, and I'll just provide you the link for that file. I'll just save you from that step of registering for that download. So check the description section for that link. Here we go, let's upload it now. Choose file. And it's called Astra. It's a zip file. You don't have to unzip it. Open it, install, unpacking, installing, and it's successful. Let's go back to themes. Before I activate it, let me show you what my website looks like right now. This is the default WordPress installation 2020 theme. And now we're going to activate Astra. And it's done. Now let's check our website. So this is the basic Astra theme, which is very, very, very basic. We're not even going to deal with this because this is the basic installation of Astra. We're going to install the templates. Let me show you how to do that. Back to themes and click theme details. Over here, it says Astra options. Click that. And on this column here, it says import starter template. So install that. Now we have to select the page builder. I just like Elementor because it has more templates it comes with. It comes with 49 templates. I think Beaver Builder is in the 30s, so you have more options in Elementor. Alrighty, here we go. We are presented with all the templates available to install with Astra and Elementor. You can choose any one of these, whatever you like, whatever your business or hobby is. Okay, for the purpose of this exercise, let's just choose this pet template. It's called Pet Services. It comes with the home page, About Us, Services, and Contact Us. Okay, so let's import the complete site. Nothing to change here. Okay, now it's done. That took about 1 minute to install the template, and it came with a lot of images and the text. It also installed the visual page builder, Elementor. Let's visit the site. So my demo site now looks like this. That is cool. I wish I had a pet shop or something. With the template, you just make your changes. You can change this picture or image to any picture you want. You can change this. All of these are editable. They just provided you with a template to start with to make it easy for you to get off the ground and start making edits. Who we are. And this will work with non-pet content also. Services. Nice. They even have a video. And get in touch. Wow, they have a Google map going on. That's neat. All this installed within just a few minutes. And here is their contact form. Sometimes these contact forms won't work unless you do certain configurations, and I can show you that in other videos. So you might want to subscribe to get those videos, how to fix that, how to edit your page with Elementor, and all kinds of good stuff. So there we go. We were able to install Astra, which was banned by WordPress as of August 7 or 6, 2020, and it'll last for 5 weeks. People can't find this in the repository of WordPress themes. But if you go to the description section below, you'll find the link and I'll give you the file so you can install it yourself manually. Okay, so let's go back to the themes and theme details. And let's look at the templates again. So remember, there are 49 templates here, and it's not all about pet, right? This one's about travel. I think they just added a new one here. Women in action, photography, shopping, selling shirts and merchandise, restaurants, general services, coaching, school. There's all kinds of templates for everybody here. That's why I believe Astra is a really good theme, because it comes with all these beautiful professional looking templates. And it comes with a visual editor, or it works with the visual editor Elementor. And I think Astra and Elementor is the way to go if you have a small budget for your website. For more professional themes, like what I use Thrive themes. And you can check my website or my other videos about Thrive, because it gives you a lot more power if you're an actual business selling things and trying to make real money. So subscribe if you want to also get some of that information about how to run a more professional, conversion-focused website. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, share it, leave a comment or question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you.